How to download Yuzu Emulator on iOS devices. So guys, I don't want to waste your time. I just don't want to scam you guys. I'm simply trying to be honest with you. It's not possible. So why you say it's not possible? Even if I am inside this website of Yuzu Emulator, because of our iOS devices. iOS devices simply doesn't allow third-party application to get installed in the device. It's basically for security reasons. I don't know why iOS device doesn't allow. They say it's security, but I have no idea. So it is what it is. You cannot download Yuzu Emulator on your iOS devices. However, there are ways, not legal ways, not something I would recommend you to do, but there are ways which will be like doing side loading. These are the terms, which is basically installing third-party app. And there are also things like jailbreaking. Again, I won't recommend you to do. It's only for education purpose. So these are the things you might do in order to install this application, but at the end it is not worth it because they might break your phone. So in short, you can't download Yuzu Emulator. And if you think I have wasted your time by telling the truth, then the dislike button is always there. However, my goal is to say the truth and spread the truth only. So yeah, hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, then of course like the video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.